Hayden Hunter is a transformer.
Ow, 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 ow,
Did you hit yourself?
Well, for sure, yes.
You gotta be more careful. Show me again. Okay, one more time. What is your transformer name, Hayden?
Its name is Bulkhead Lot.
Bulkhead Lot?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's your weapon?
Sword.
Swords?
Yep.
Are those your ears when you turn down?
Only one. I have to be. That guy talks.
Yeah, can you sing Scooby-Doo song?
No, because I'm Transformer.
Oh, well, can you sing me a Transformer song?
Transformers. 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 Transformers.
Now bow and say the end.
That wasn't.
Oh, okay, bye.